Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to off apps notifications. Guys, these apps guys, you want to off this apps notification in your vivo phone. So as you can off your app notification in your vivo phone. In this video guys, we will talk about how to off this apps notification in our vivo phone device. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're in my channel and you're watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. And now let's start the video. First of all, come in your phone setting to off your app notification. Then guys scroll it down and guys click on this notifications, app setting, and guys you can see only this app. So guys click on this most reset and guys click on all apps. So friends, now you can see your all apps. So as you can, and guys ignore this outside sound guys. Sorry friends, sorry for that sound. And guys now focus on video. So guys now so guys you can see this all apps. So guys which app notification guys, like Instagram, like Google Play service guys, you will have to guys click on this blue icon. So guys you can off your app notification from here guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to off app notification in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel, and guys sorry for that sound guys, ignore it, and guys focus on video. Bye bye friends. Before going, please go and like my video.